Under Document, Reduce File Size, there's the option to decrease the file size of the PDF file that's currently being viewed. In the top right, you see the current file, the size of the file as it exists today. Right now it's at 9.2 megabytes in size. And based on the settings here that are indicated, this file can be reduced to 2.5 megabytes in size. Now this dialog is broken up into three main sections: images, fonts, and miscellaneous data. The idea is that by setting different options here, different reductions in file size will occur. In addition to the file size reduction, you'll see that there's a total percentage here. Also, in these different areas, there's a preview that shows you what the composition of each individual adjustment, how it will affect the overall reduction. So in this example, you see that the majority of the reduction in file size is coming from adjusting the images. Next to the images, each different image type, you'll see a number, and this number indicates the number of images of that particular type in this particular PDF file. Also, you'll see in the DPI setting how many images are at a particular DPI. So this is telling me that there are 24 JPEG images, and all 24 of those are stored in this PDF at 300 DPI. Now, different PDF files are going to have different types of images, different fonts, and different data stored within the PDF, and depending on what type of data is stored in the PDF, different options are going to be available on this dialog screen. So this particular PDF, there's really, I just have the image adjustments to really work with to affect the reduction in file size here. So what I'm going to do is, I think one thing I'll do is choose, instead of 150 DPI, we'll bring that down to 120 DPI. And you'll see that the file size gets a little smaller there. Now there's an 81% compression. Another thing I could do is check to reduce the color depth. And you'll see that's a quite extreme adjustment now. Now that what was 3.2 down to 1.7 is now 700 kilobytes in size. So you see quite a significant difference between the initial file size and the completely reduced file size. So once I do this, then I will press the OK button, and I have now I'm presented with a file dialog. And when I do this, press the Save button, then the PDF is going to be stored in that new reduced state. I'll go ahead and cancel that, and I'll show one last thing. This option is also available from the batch processing menu. So here you can go batch reduce file size. If you have a whole suite of PDF files or more than one PDF file, choose this option and add files, and you can adjust the specific settings here to process multiple PDF files in one shot.